So let's learn how to create a Canva account. Open a Google tab or a browser and just type Canva in it. The first link should be the one, canva.in. Uh, so what you have to do is you have to go to sign up, and it will give you several options. It's best to you do that you sign up with Google, because you must be having a Google account in your Chrome browser. So continue with Google and then select the account. It is good that you can use it as a personal project, because it allows you, in case you want a subscription, it allows you to uh, buy it even for a day or two. It's not needed normally, but it's the best one. So yeah, that's it. And then here you can create projects. This is the home, and here you can create projects, which we will be learning in our session.